Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unbagging from Ipsy. Cute bag this month. It's really thin feeling and part of the bag was like stuck to it. That's still there, so I haven't ripped it off because I feel like it might actually rip the bag if I rip it off. Two of the items were too big to fit in here, but I'm going to grab the card first and then we'll get to the items. The School for Good and Evil on Netflix. I have not seen that. So there's a glam guide. So this month it does not show you the list of the products. So the first item, and this is the one that I picked, it's a makeup sponge from Quick Beat. The ones that I have are pretty tore up, so needed a new one, and yeah, it's pretty. So we have that. Also have a Brilliant Body Bar. Coconut Colada by the Refreshments. Ooh, that's real soft. And adorable little stamping there. Smells pretty good too. Nice. Definitely use that. I like bar soap, so happy to have that. But inside the bag, it's a nice pink color. And the next item we have Extraordinary Loose Translucent Setting Powder. It's hard to say. So I got that. Pretty big sample size. Then I have some hair serum. Paraben and sulfate free by Silky. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Love that. And last we have Byrod, maybe? New York. This is Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. Pretty cool bag this month. Got some good items. Definitely make it worth it. If you would like to sign up for Ipsy, I have a link below. And if you want to see past unbaggings, I have a whole playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.